Hi everyone! So today we're checking out something very cool and very exciting. This LEGO Fortnite collaboration, the Fortnite Supply Llama. Now, if you've played Fortnite, you already know this llama is iconic. When you open up the box, this is what you get. Inside, everything is neatly organized into six numbered LEGO bags. Package 1, Package 2, Package 3, Package 4, Package 5, and package 6. You also get a sticker sheet, and I love me some stickers, so that's always a win. Next up, let's take a look at the build guide. The instruction manual is fully colored, very detailed, and super easy to follow. This set includes a free digital item. Once you scan the QR code, you unlock a Fortnite digital cosmetic bundle. Now, I built this off camera because I'm not going to bore you watching me place brick after brick. But here it is, the finished Fortnite supply llama. And wow, this thing looks legendary tier. The color pops, the shape is perfect, and it captures that classic Fortnite llama look almost one to one. It's also bigger and heavier than I expected, which makes it feel premium like an actual Fortnite collectible, not just a toy. Top opens, the tail moves, and when you open it up, the loot spills out just like in game. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to thank the Battle Bus driver.